Dear children, let's start learning the application of the formula for finding the sum of n terms of AP. Now children, exercise 5.3, and we will do very simple questions on the application of this formula. Now question number 1, part 1, find the sum of the given AP when the AP is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, and we have to find the sum up to 12 terms. Now A is equal to minus 37. D we will calculate A2 minus A1, that is minus 33 plus 37 will give you 4, and N is given equal to 12. Let's put all these values in the formula. The formula is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. When we'll put the value n equal to 12 divided by 2, you are left with 6. Then in place of a, you will write down minus 37 multiplied by 2 will give you minus 74. D is 4 multiplied by n minus 1. N is 12. So when you subtract 1, it will be 11. Multiplied by 4. D is 4. So it will be 44. Now minus 74 plus 34 is minus 30. And outside you have 6. So when you multiply, you will get that Sn is equal to 180. Now, find the sum of this AP. You are given question number 2, first part, 7 plus 10 is to 1 by 2 plus 14 and up to 84. When you move like this, in this AP, when you move, you have to find the sum until and unless you got 84. So you don't know which term is this. And in the formula of Sn, you have to put the value of n also. So children, here first of all, we will find out n. So A is equal to 7, D is equal to 10.5 minus 7, that is 3.5, and An is the last term of the AP, which is given 84. So first of all, we will apply the formula for An. An is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Put whatever you know. So in place of An, you will write down 84. In place of A, you will write down 7 plus n minus 1. And in place of D, you will put 7 by 2. Now, bring this 7 this side and subtract it from 84. You are left with 77. Bring this 7 by 2 this side. It will become reciprocal of it. Will be 2 by 7. And when you cancel, you are left with 22. 22 is equal to n minus 1. Bring this 1 this side. Will give you n is equal to 23. Now you got the value of n also. And the formula for Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Now this will be wiser if you will use this formula, because in this question you are given the last term as 84. So you will use this formula and that will become n by 2. In place of n you will write 23 divided by 2. A is 7 plus An is 84. So when you add, it will be 91. When you multiply 23 and 91, you will get 2093 divided by 2. And since the question is given in the format of mixed fraction, so change your answer also in mixed fraction. Now let's do the next question. Question number 3. In an AP, A3 is 15 and A10 is given 125. He wants us to find out D and the 10th term of the AP. Now you are given 15th, third term is equal to 15. A3 can be written as A plus 2D equal to 15. And S10 is given equal to 125. Now in place of S10 you will apply the formula. S10 is n by 2. N is 10 here. So I have written 10 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. 2a as it is, n minus 1, n is 10, so it will become 9d is equal to 125. Now cancel this 10 by 2 first, you will get 5. Now when you bring this 5 to the other side, it will cancel 125 and therefore you are left with 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Now multiply the first equation that you got, a plus 2d is equal to 15. Multiply it by 2 because you want to eliminate and get the value of a and d. So 2a plus 4d will become 30. Eliminate a by subtracting and you will get 5d is equal to minus 5. Therefore d is equal to minus 1. Now put this value of d in the first equation, that is a plus 2d. So you will get that a is equal to 17. Now you got a, you got d. It's easy for you to find out a10. A10 is a plus 9d. Now a is 17, d is minus 1. When you will put the value, you will get a10 is equal to 8. Now the last question of this video. Now you are given that D is equal to 5 and S9 is equal to 75. He wants us to find out A and A9. Now children, you are given is always very helpful. That only provides you the way to move in the question. Now S9 is equal to 75. Fill up the formula and the value. Now S9 is equal to n by 2. So it will be 9 by 2. 2a plus n minus 1, 9 minus 1, that is 8d. Fill in the values that are given. You are given S9 is equal to 75. So in place of S9 you will be putting 75. 9 by 2, so I am bringing this to this side, will get multiplied with 75 and will give you 150. And now on the right hand side you are left with 9 only. 2a plus d is 5. So when you put the value of d and multiply it with 8, it will become 40. Multiply this 9 inside, you will get 18a plus 360. Bring this 360 this side, subtract 150 out of it and you will get left with minus 210. As we want to find out the value of a, so bring this 18 this side and you will get that a is equal to minus 35 by 3. Now he wants us to find out a9. Now you have a and d is already given in the question. a9 is a plus 8d. So a9 is equal to a plus 8d. Put the value of a, put the value of d, simplify and you will get that a is 9 is equal to 85 upon 3. That's all for this video. We will meet again.